Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upgrade to premium on Zoho. Zoho offers a range of software products like CRM, books, projects, mail, etc. Each has multiple subscription tiers. A premium plan typically includes more advanced features, higher limits, additional users, automation or the integration compared to the free or the standard plans. And depending on which Zoho product you're using, the exact step may look slightly different, but the process is fundamentally the same. And first, what you can do is open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type from zoho.com and enter it, and make sure to log into your account already. And over here, once you reach into this interface of your Zoho, on the right hand side we can find all of these featured apps. So you can go to the Zoho product that you want to upgrade. For example, as I'm going to select the CRM over here, and under the CRM, once you get into this interface for the Zoho CRM, on the top we can find this pricing beside the features. Click onto this pricing over here, and you can now choose the premium plan. You can find the standard, professional, enterprise, and ultimate, and this enterprise is the most popular one. You can simply access Zoho CRM over here, but you can simply select any of the plan over here as well, and click onto this access Zoho CRM under this plan, and you need to enter the payment details and method. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.